What's up guys, and welcome back. So today we're going to be building a privacy tray in the back of my Jeep TJ. It's going to be 100% free. Alright, so the idea of a privacy tray in the back of my Jeep is kind of just like a board that's going to run across here. So when I've got my top off, I've got camera gear and stuff like that down the bottom here that people can't actually have access to and take out. So I can leave my car, walk away, and it'll be perfectly fine. A while ago I did a video where I did the whole back of my flooring here in lino board. And if you haven't checked that out, I'll leave a link just here so you can have a watch it. So go watch it, come back, and then watch this video. I'll wait for you. Alright, so welcome back. So I had that lino flooring down, but I recently put my back seats in because we had a baby on the way, due in about 2 weeks. So to reduce a little bit of heat, I put down marine carpet, but I want a little bit of privacy in the back. So I reckon these old boards I have will probably be the perfect size to just slide in the back underneath these rear seat belt plastic bracket things. I don't know if that's the technical term, and if it's not, comment below and prove me wrong, but pretty sure that's what the dictionary says. So it should slide in there, hard against the back seat, and then when I shut the door, hopefully it should press hard against that so you can't actually move it around. So let's just quickly put it in. Might go that way. Now this is the length they come in. So you can actually get these free of Facebook, or you can buy a pack of like 15 I think from Bunnings for like $30. But I got this free off Facebook. Someone had done their floors in their house, they had too many left over. So this is the length they come. So we'll try to put in the back and see if it works well. So I think that's worked quite well. Could be a little bit longer, but let me just shut the rear tyre. I use this little bungee strap to keep it open because it just shuts on itself. So we'll shut that. I think we're in luck. There's a little bit of a gap there, but there's like a little, I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's like a little plastic bit there that sits. Oh, that sits absolutely perfect on there. So what I could do, it doesn't have a lot of strength to it, so what do you guys reckon? Do you reckon that looks good? Still a little bit of B-roll. I reckon that actually looks pretty damn good. We were just sliding it in, didn't even have to cut anything, no measuring, no nothing. It's literally like the thickness that it comes and the length that it comes from the factory, so it's pretty damn good. It's cheap and easier than I thought it was going to be. It's not very strong, so I probably won't put anything on that, but what I might do, I've got the spare bit of, I think it's 92 by 19 bit of timber. I could probably cut it to the same length between the two wheel wells and screw it to there. I could probably, alright, let's do that and see how that goes. How good does that look? It's even got enough strength so I can push down on it and doesn't bend anymore. Just that pine board stuff or whatever you, laminate flooring that you can buy is really flimsy, so a little bit of timber underneath strengthens it right up. So I'd be pretty happy to do, what I might do is bolt a few hooks to the bottom of this, then I can attach my snatch strap and maybe a couple other things to the base of that as well, because it's actually got a little bit of strength to that. So I'll probably buy some those screw and hook things. A couple across there, hang a few things off that so it's actually off the bottom of the floor. So we'll unhook that again. That will close. Boom. Done. So if you can get your hand in there, you can't actually pull anything off, and you can't get that seat. You can't actually roll the seat forward either. So perfect.